It's happened to most of us. You go to work on your Joomla site and it's down. Is it down for everyone? Or a client calls and says, hey, my site is down, and you go and check and it's up. In this video, we'll discuss what's going on and how to find the information you need to solve the problem. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit for it at mysites.guru. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 254 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them to Joomla 4. So if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's cut to the chase and turn our attention to the screen. Now, as you can see, I've taken my main company site and I've blocked the IP I'm using at home to view it, so it appears down, but it's down only to me. And that's the first thing you want to check. Is your site down everywhere, or is it down only to you? What you can do is head on over to Down for Everyone or Just for Me and test the address of your site. Let's see. Is it down or is it up? Oh, it's up. So it's just me that this site is down for, which leads me to realize that it's probably my IP that has been blocked. Now, the server that my website is hosted on may have mistakenly blocked my IP, and so I just can't see it. Or I might even have an email program I've been trying to set up. I've used the wrong password too many times, and the server that my website is hosted on may have blocked me, and that's why I can't see my site. What you want to do to solve this is figure out what your IP is. And to do that, you can just go to this fun little site, ipchicken.com, and when you go to that site, it will show you what your IP is. That's going to give you information to give to your web hosting company, or actually, if you're using a firewall program in your Joomla site, maybe it's what has blocked you. You're going to look up the information in the support documents for that firewall and see how to remove your IP. Now, there are a couple of other ways that you can test to see if it really is your IP. One would be on a smartphone that's connected to your internet and also has a data plan. First, try to view your web page through your internet connection. If it's blocked, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn off the internet connection to your phone, connect through data, which will be a totally different IP, and see if that brings up the site. It's likely going to do it. And the fun way is to use a VPN. Now, the VPN that I use for myself is NordVPN, and basically what you can do is you can install this and you can access websites through different servers around the world. It's one of the benefits of a VPN. So all I have to do up here in this browser add-on, now I've connected through a US server for this video so I could block that IP. Just pick a country to connect to. Let's go to Switzerland. Now I'm going to connect through a server in Switzerland all the way here from the left coast of Canada. I have a new IP address. I can go back to my web page. I can hit refresh, and lo and behold, we're going to see now I can access my site. So I'm going to get my IP, contact your web host, look in your firewall, get yourself removed. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.